What up, it's your girl Miss Milan, and today we're back with another video. So pretty much all week I've been showing you guys simple natural makeup looks that you could do every day for work. So because it's Friday, I figured that we could do like a glam look to get ready for work. So I got up really early before the kids got up. Some of this video may be like my actual voice, so maybe like a voiceover depending on what time they wake up. So we are up today on a Friday morning. I got my Batman cup and my green tea, and we are going to go ahead and get started. I did already wash and tone my face. I used my Garnier Skin Active Sulfate Free Cleanser to wash, and then I toned with my Witch Hazel. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the Badescu skincare. And this is the Aloe, Herbs, and Rosewater. And I just feel like every time I wash my face, I feel like my face just like gets stuck. So that's why I always go in with that every day. And then for moisturizer, I'm going to go ahead and use my Believe in the Truth Moisturizing Balm. So as of lately, I've actually liked to go in and do my brows before I prime my face. I find that my brow pencil actually works better without the face primer. It allows me to have a more precise control of the product. So I've been doing it that way. So this is what my brow pencil looks like. This is actually the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pencil in the color medium brown. So I'm just going to go ahead and carve out my eyebrows. And if you guys already know, then you know I'm going to go in with my ABH concealer in the color 4.5. And I'm just going to take that on a flat angled brush. So now we're going to go in and prime our skin, and we're going to use the Touch and Soul No Poreblem primer. And I got this in BoxyCharm, and I really like this. It's in my cart at Ulta to repurchase. So and then we're going to rub that into our skin. I hear my husband. I love green tea, like, period. So for a primer today, for my eyelids, I'm going to go in with the Morphe primer. And we're just going to... I actually like this primer. It was sitting at the counter on Ulta. I guess it was like one of their products that they had to mention upon checkout. And it was like, it was either 7 or 13. I'll have to find out and put it in for you. But I've been using it ever since. And I'm not picky about eyeshadow primers, but I really like this one. So we're going to go in with our tape. So my eyes are like legitimately two different shades. Go into the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I think that's going to be what we're going to go in with. Is we're going to go in with Desert Sand, and we're just going to put that all over the lid, just to set that just to set the eyeshadow primer. Next, we're going to go in with the color Musk, and we're going to place that in the crease going up towards the brow. And I'm just going to use the same type of blending brush. This is a Luxie 229 tapered blending brush. So next we're going to go in with the color Amber, which is this color right here. And then we're going to put that directly on top of that brown. But we're not going to drag it as high up. We're going to try to concentrate it in the crease. So here's what it looks like right now. So next we're going to take this color saffron right here, and we're going to put that on the outer V, and we're going to drag it to about a third of the way in, and then we're going to connect that color with the crease. See what I mean? This piece of tape getting on my nerves. I don't know what it is about this eye today, but it don't want to work with me. So my husband decides to call me, knowing I'm doing my makeup, just to tell me he loves me. Ain't that sweet? I think my tea has finally cooled down enough for me to drink it. So I'm just going to keep going in with this color on that outer V, like such. So for the lid, we're going to go in with this color right here, which is called Celestial. And we're going to take a small, this is almost like a concealer brush. So Huda actually normally has pretty good glitters and pigments, so I'm just going to put some on the brush, spray my brush, and then pop that onto the lid like such. I guess I'm going to go ahead and do my bat wings, as my husband calls them. He always talk about wing eyeliner. And we gonna get dramatic today. So we're gonna go in with the ColourPop liquid liner in the color Numero Uno. It's a black. And we're gonna be done with the palette for now. So, and like looking on camera, my wing don't look as thick as it actually is in person. So if you're wondering why I look thin or why I'm not making it thicker, it's plenty thick. So I'm going to coat my lashes to start with, because of course we're gonna have to do falsies today. It's only right. So this is my Maybelline Great Lash in the color Blackest Black. So for foundation, we're gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And I believe this is the color Brulee. No worry, it looks a little red going on, as do 90% of my foundation. So I'm cool tone, but I have a hard time finding cool tone foundations in my color. So I always go a little bit darker, get a warm tone or a neutral tone, and then I'll highlight with a really light color, and it works out. I'm just going to use 2 pumps of that. Yesterday, me and my beauty blender was having a fight, so today, hopefully it works. So as you can see, I mean, it's not too red, but it is red. Maybelline Molten Gold Master Chrome highlighter and apply that to my face. And I'm just gonna put some on the brow bone. For whatever reason, I am not liking this foundation. Like, I'm still old. I like pencil and sharpener. only thing about this pencil is it doesn't sharpen like as evenly, but the color payoff is so good. And the pencil itself was only like $1. So here's what it looks like. So next we're gonna go back in with the palette, and we're going to do the bottom lash line. So to do that, I'm going to take this color Ode, and I'm going to place that on the outer third. I'm going to take Saffron, I'm going to place that on the inner third, and then I'm going to take Nafatiri, and I'm going to place that in the crease in the first third. So it's going to be something like this. And if y'all see me keep turning my face, like my face real life, like up close it looks powdery, but from a distance it looks good. And I haven't done anything different besides use a different foundation. Like this is mind boggling to me. But I'm gonna set it really good. In a few seconds. So, and then for the inner corner of the eye, I'm going to take a small brush in that Nafatiri color, and I'm just going to pop that right in the center. I mean right on the inner corner as such. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my face. I'm going to use quite a few sprays. So, to absorb some of the powder, I'm going to go in with these two. This is the Mario Badescu again, and then this is the Wet n Wild Coconut Primer Water. And then I'm going to go in with my regular setting spray, which is going to be MAC Lip Liner in the color Auburn. Like such. And we're just gonna